ESall raises $325 million to recruit 400 employees to achieve large-scale growth. eSentire has raised $325 million and notched a valuation above $1 billion as the company looks to hire 400 employees and expand across Europe and the Asia-Pacific region. The Waterloo, Ontario-based managed detection and response vendor said it has exceeded $100 million in annual recurring revenue and will use Tuesday's funding to scale operations globally to meet growing enterprise demand. The $325 million investment came from Georgian and CDPQ, though private equity firm Warburg Pincus will remain eSentire's majority stakeholder. We want to not only own this market, we also want to continue to innovate the market, eSentire CEO Kerry Bailey told CRN, and we now have a great amount of capital and partners to do that. What we are here to do and build a long-term, sustainable business that changes the cybersecurity industry. For a technology perspective, Bailey said eSentire plans to use the proceeds to widen the signals coming into its detection platform, increase its co-managed capabilities, and tighten its integration with the Microsoft security stack. eSentire wants to organically strengthen its ability to get the right identity signals and respond if there's bad behavior, and add signals through partnerships with Sentinel. As for co-management, eSentire wants to add one-click provisioning and self-service capabilities for channel partners and enterprise customers, and give partners full visibility into threat investigations. And eSentire wants to strengthen its integration with Microsoft products like Defender and Sentinel and apply a layer of security on top of it, given how rapidly customers are adopting Microsoft's technology. From a geographic standpoint, eSentire wants to increase its sales outside the United States from between 20% and 25% today to 38% next year, and 50% 2 years from now. Bailey said the company has opened offices in London and a security operations center in Ireland and has seen its European business triple from the quarter ended April 30 to the quarter ended Jan. 31. eSentire set up shop in Latin America 2 years ago, and more recently opened offices in Australia to drive significant business in the Asia-Pacific region, Bailey said. The company is focused on building out a channel ecosystem in international markets, and eSentire's sales motion abroad is typically channel-led. I can't underestimate the strength of where the MDR market is right now, Bailey said. This is the only answer to cybersecurity. Selling more products isn't going to work, and the rest of the world is seeing that right now. eSentire wants to get half of its bookings from channel partners in the fiscal year ended Jan. 31, 2013, and 3/4 of its bookings from channel partners by Jan. 31, 2025. Less than 15% of eSentire's sales were going through the channel when Bailey started as CEO in February 2018. The average transaction value of sales going through the channel at eSentire was historically between $50,000 and $75,000, but is accelerating toward $250,000 to $300,000 as solution providers go after customers with enterprise security needs, Bailey said. eSentire has established relationships with master agents to push up market with the channel, and is now seeing partners close 7-figure deals. In the second half of 2021, Bailey said eSentire began rolling out richer incentive programs, enablement enhancements, and a more robust certification programs for channel partners. With the $325 million investment, eSentire plans to triple its investment in go-to-market and marketing, make lead generation easier for partners, and hire more business development reps to drive business via the channel. eSentire said it plans to hire more than 400 team members globally across all facets of its business over the next 18 months, bringing the company's headcount to more than 1,000. The company also intends to continue investing significantly in research and development to support expansion of its Atlas XD, a software-as-a-service offering. From a metric standpoint, Bailey said eSentire is most focused on increasing net retention from 108% to 120%, reducing the average deal cycle from 55 days to less than 50 days. And boosting the speed of provisioning from 7 or 8 days today to less than 48 US going forward. eSentire's net retention should benefit from making it easier for partners to get upsell and cross-sell opportunities. This is a software-driven business. It needs to be easy to use, and time is risk in our business, Bailey said. The more time a customer is uncovered, the less time we'll be able to see what's happening in their environment. It's better for the customer, it's better for the partner, and the overall efficacy of what we do is greater, so time matters to us.